Welcome to a journey that challenges the very essence of what we think we know about wealth and riches. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all yet feel empty, while others live modestly yet radiate contentment? Today, we're diving into the age-old question: what do you want, riches or wealth? In a world obsessed with visible wealth, those shiny cars, designer clothes, and exotic vacations, it's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of riches. But what if true wealth is something deeper, something that offers financial security and the freedom to live life on your terms? It's time to peel back the layers and discover what really matters. As we explore the difference between being rich and being wealthy, we'll uncover the secrets to building true wealth that lasts. We'll navigate the societal pressures that push us toward a luxury lifestyle and learn how to make lifestyle choices that align with our true financial goals. So, here's a thought-provoking question to ponder. In the pursuit of wealth, what are you truly seeking? Fleeting riches or lasting fulfillment? And how will this choice shape the legacy you leave behind? Join me as we embark on this enlightening journey to redefine what wealth means to you. Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Allure of Wealth and Riches. Scrolling through social media, it's easy to get swept up in the allure of luxury lifestyles. Those glossy images of high-end cars, sprawling mansions, and exotic vacations seem to scream success. But here's the burning question: is this what true wealth looks like, or are we merely chasing after visible riches? It's time to dig deeper and figure out what we truly want, riches or wealth. We've all felt the magnetic pull of visible wealth. It's that shiny new car that makes heads turn, the designer clothes that speak volumes about status, and the lavish vacations that make for envy-inducing Instagram posts. But is this pursuit of wealth really about financial security, or is it about keeping up appearances? Let's unravel this mystery and see what's beneath the surface. Why do we chase after wealth? For many, it's about achieving financial independence, the freedom to make choices without being shackled by financial constraints. Others seek the status that comes with a luxury lifestyle, hoping to be seen as successful by society's standards. But here's the twist: society often confuses wealth with visible riches, leading us to prioritize the wrong things. Meet Alex, a college student with big dreams. Every day, Alex is bombarded by influencers flaunting their latest purchases, feeling the pressure to keep up with this lavish lifestyle. But deep down, there's a nagging question: is there more to life than just accumulating stuff? Alex's story is a reflection of the societal pressures we all face, urging us to redefine what wealth truly means. The misconception that wealth is about having more things can lead us down a path of financial instability. We end up spending beyond our means, trying to maintain an image that doesn't align with our true financial goals. The pursuit of visible wealth can be a trap, keeping us from achieving genuine financial stability. So, what is true wealth? It's not about the car you drive or the clothes you wear. True wealth is about financial assets and savings. It's the security of knowing you have a safety net, the freedom to make choices that align with your values, and the peace of mind that comes from financial stability. As we wrap up, let's remember that understanding your personal financial goals is crucial. It's about defining what wealth means to you and making choices that support that vision. Whether it's building a savings cushion, investing wisely, or living within your means, true wealth is about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. In the end, the choice is yours. Do you want the fleeting satisfaction of riches or the lasting security of wealth? The decision will shape not just your financial future, but your overall happiness and fulfillment. Choose wisely. Chapter 2: The Irony of Visible Wealth. As we continue exploring the concept of riches versus wealth, let's delve into the irony of visible wealth. We often see people driving luxury cars and assume they're financially secure. But this visible wealth doesn't always equate to true financial security. It's a paradox that many of us fall for, equating material possessions with success. Let's examine why this mindset can be misleading. Our tendency to judge wealth by appearances is deeply ingrained. We see designer clothes, high-end gadgets, and lavish vacations and assume success. But this pursuit of wealth based on appearances can lead us astray. Societal pressures push us toward a luxury lifestyle that might not align with our true financial goals. This mindset can lead to financial instability as we prioritize the wrong things, chasing after a facade rather than building a solid foundation. True wealth often remains invisible. It's not about the material possessions we can flaunt, but about the financial assets and savings that provide genuine financial stability. Imagine living a life where your financial independence allows you to make lifestyle choices without the burden of debt. This is the essence of true wealth freedom and control over your financial future. Reflecting on these points, it's crucial to understand that the pursuit of wealth should focus on building wealth through smart investments and saving money. It's about aligning your personal finance strategy with your values and aspirations. By focusing on financial security, you create a foundation that supports long-term happiness and fulfillment. Ultimately, the real question is, do you want to chase the fleeting satisfaction of visible riches, or do you seek the lasting security of true wealth? The choice is yours, and it will shape not just your financial future, but your overall well-being. Chapter 3: The difference between rich and wealthy. Now let's delve into the nuanced difference between being rich and being wealthy. While both terms often get tossed around interchangeably, they represent fundamentally different financial mindsets and lifestyles. Being rich is often about visible wealth, high income, expensive cars, designer clothes, and lavish vacations. It's a lifestyle focused on immediate gratification and social status. This pursuit of wealth can be misleading, as it often lacks financial security and long-term planning. Rich individuals tend to spend what they earn, sometimes even resorting to debt to maintain their lifestyle, driven by societal pressures and the allure of a luxury lifestyle. In contrast, being wealthy is about financial independence and building wealth that lasts. Wealthy individuals focus on accumulating financial assets and creating passive income streams. They prioritize financial stability and long-term growth over short-term pleasures. This mindset involves making lifestyle choices that align with true financial goals, such as investing wisely and saving money. Wealth is about having the freedom and control to live life on your terms without the constant worry about finances. The irony is that true wealth often remains invisible. It's not about flaunting what you have, but about ensuring financial security for the future. Wealthy people understand that their financial assets are a means to achieve a life of freedom and fulfillment. They build wealth not just for themselves, but to create a legacy for future generations. Ultimately, the choice between being rich and being wealthy boils down to what you value more: the fleeting satisfaction of visible riches or the lasting security and peace of mind that comes with true wealth. By focusing on building wealth, you can achieve financial freedom and live a life aligned with your values and aspirations. Chapter 4: Building True Wealth. As we continue exploring the nuances of wealth, it's essential to understand how building true wealth is a journey that requires dedication and a shift in mindset. In the previous chapters, we discussed the allure of visible wealth and the distinction between being rich and being wealthy. Now, let's focus on the practical steps to achieve financial security and independence. In a world driven by consumerism, maintaining financial discipline is no small feat. The pursuit of wealth often gets overshadowed by the temptation of visible wealth, those high-end gadgets and designer clothes that scream success. Society encourages us to indulge in a luxury lifestyle, but true financial goals require us to look beyond immediate gratification. It's about understanding that financial security and independence come from making wise lifestyle choices and focusing on long-term growth. Building wealth starts with a solid foundation of saving money and investing wisely. Think of your personal finance strategy as a roadmap to financial stability. Begin by setting clear financial goals, such as saving for retirement or buying a home. Develop a savings plan that aligns with these goals and automate your savings to ensure consistency. Investing in diverse financial assets will help you build wealth over time, providing the financial independence you seek. Creating a lifestyle that supports your financial goals involves making conscious decisions every day. Avoid the pitfalls of conspicuous consumption and focus on spending less than you earn. This discipline will allow you to build a financial cushion that can weather life's uncertainties. Remember, true wealth is not about what you can show off today, but about the security and freedom you can enjoy tomorrow. As you embark on this journey to build wealth, keep in mind that it's not just about accumulating money. It's about creating a life that reflects your values, offers financial security, and provides the freedom to pursue your passions. By focusing on building wealth, you can achieve a fulfilling and prosperous life. Chapter 5: The Invisible Path to Financial Freedom. As we wrap up our exploration of wealth, let's focus on the invisible path to financial freedom. This journey is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about achieving financial independence and the flexibility it brings to live life on your own terms. In the previous chapters, we discussed the allure of visible wealth, the difference between being rich and wealthy, and the steps to building true wealth. Now, we'll explore how financial freedom offers peace of mind and the ability to pursue your passions without financial constraints. Financial freedom means having enough financial security to cover your needs and desires without being tied to a traditional job. It's about the freedom to make lifestyle choices that align with your values, whether that's traveling the world, starting a business, or simply enjoying more time with family. This independence provides a sense of peace and reduces stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. However, achieving financial independence requires overcoming common misconceptions about wealth. Many believe that wealth is about flaunting material possessions, but true wealth is about having options and peace of mind. It involves humility in financial planning, understanding that wealth is not just about what you have, but how you use it to enhance your life and the lives of others. To reach this state, it's crucial to have a solid financial plan. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a budget that aligns with those goals. Focus on building a diverse portfolio of financial assets that can generate passive income and provide long-term financial stability. Saving money and avoiding unnecessary debt are key components of this journey, as they help build a financial cushion that can weather life's uncertainties. Ultimately, the path to financial freedom is about creating a life that reflects your values and offers the flexibility to pursue your dreams. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about using that wealth to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. As we conclude this journey, remember that financial freedom is within reach with the right mindset, discipline, and planning. As we wrap up this journey of exploration, one thing becomes crystal clear. The pursuit of wealth is more than just a numbers game. It's a journey of self-discovery and purpose. Whether it's the allure of riches, the stability of wealth, or the freedom that financial independence brings, each path offers its own unique challenges and rewards. The real question is, what do you truly value, and how does that shape the life you want to live? As we stand at the crossroads of what we desire and what we truly need, it's crucial to remember that wealth is not just about accumulating riches. It's about building a life that reflects your values and aspirations. It's about understanding that true wealth is not just financial security, but also the freedom to live life on your terms, to pursue your passions, and to create lasting memories with the people you love. So, as you navigate your own journey, ask yourself, what does wealth mean to you? Is it the freedom to explore the world and live life on your terms? Is it the security of knowing that you and your loved ones are protected? Or is it the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have enough? Whatever it may be, remember that the true measure of wealth is not in what you have, but in what you can give and the legacy you leave behind. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the wisdom we've gathered. From the importance of setting clear financial goals to the discipline required to achieve them, we've explored the many facets of wealth and the choices we make. It's a journey that requires courage, resilience, and a deep understanding of what truly matters. So, as you step forward on your path, remember to embrace the journey, cherish the moments, and live a life that reflects your values. Because in the end, it's not just about the wealth we accumulate, but the richness we create in our lives and the legacy we leave behind. Thank you for joining me today. May your journey be filled with love, laughter, and abundance. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep creating the life you've always imagined.